All right, this is Dr. Trevor Miller of Integrated Health of Indiana, and I am speaking this morning with
Trudy Henry.
And Trudy, you've been a patient for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
What keeps you coming back?
Feeling better.
And you've been to other chiropractors before.
Mm-hmm.
What's the difference?
That's a good question. The technology and just the experience.
And so would you say it's our culture of talking about lifestyle and stress and how to deal with that? Because, we've all had stress. You've had stress lately, and that stress caused a back flare-up. Mm-hmm. And how did we address that?
By talking about the stress and then adjustments.
And then once we started talking about the stress and you actually started to deal with the stress, what happened? How did you feel?
I'm not in pain anymore.
And so would you say that we talk about things kind of in a holistic fashion where we want to address basically, the sleep, the 4 steps or the 4 pillars to health that we have here,
yes,
which is sleep, nutrition, exercise or movement, and community. Mm-hmm. And that has helped your family.
Yes.
If you wanted to tell somebody something, because everybody is in a different place to hear things, what would you say to them about why to go to a chiropractor or functional medicine doctor or to come here?
I would tell them that surgery is not always the option, for sure. That you guys can do a lot more help than what they've heard, like on the negative side, because doctors want your money. Chiropractors want to help you get better.
And with that being said, what is something you think people need to hear first off, besides what you just said? What's something you've learned here?
A lot of things, actually. Better eating, not to focus on stress.
What is something that you couldn't do before when you were coming in? Mm-hmm. What's something you can do now that you couldn't do before seeing me?
I can move more freely without pain.
And when you feel stress coming on, what can you do now that you didn't know before? It's called cognitive reframing.
Okay.
That's all right. So, in other words, you think about stress differently and you think about how these things are happening.
Yes.
And that's a good thing. That's what we want, because we're all going through life together.
That's right.
We're all going to end up in the same place. Mm-hmm. And so at the end of the day, does it really matter?
Correct.
And so this is one way just to deal with stress, and you smile and move on, because you're going to get through it. Well, thank you for your time. I really do appreciate it. And like I've said before, this will help somebody else who just doesn't think that there is help out there for them, because stress is not something tangible, but is something that can be dealt with.
That's right.
Have a great day.
You too.